What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Wolf Daddy here. Not doing nothing crazy today, just doing a little install on these mirror caps. Figured I'd make y'all a short little video and make this pretty simple for you guys. So definitely thank you for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, get off the internet. But no, seriously, definitely support the channel. Need all the support we can get. Haven't really been making a ton of videos. Like I said, the more support, the more videos. It's hard to have a full-time job and try to be a part-time YouTuber, so definitely appreciate all y'all support. So thanks for hanging in there with me. Let's get to this. This is pretty much all the tools you're going to need. Not really going to need that. I'm going to go ahead and use this because I'm just going to break the tabs off the OEM mirror covers. But if you want to save the OEM mirror covers, you're going to have to use this and pry it. I'll show y'all what you're doing. Other than that, ratchet, an extension, and T15 Torx. So that's all you're going to need. This installation is going to take you maybe 5 to 10 minutes per side, depending on what kind of rush you're in. So we're just going to go ahead and do one side, and then I'm going to knock the other side out because this is going to be difficult with one hand. Here we go. And a flathead screwdriver, just push the mirror up. There's a little clip in there. I'll show y'all here very shortly. I'm gonna pop this off and then I'll show you. All right, so that's what you're looking for right there, and you can see it. Just push up on the mirror cover and you're gonna see this right there. Just push it, pry it out, and then over here you're gonna have 4 T15 Torx. And then we'll go ahead and pull those out. Alright, so on those 4 tabs, you can kind of just pry away with the flathead. It's kind of a pain in the butt, so what I did, took my Kleins over here, and I really just grabbed it, spun it, and broke them off. So that skeleton will come right on out. This is where we're going to put our cover. This is what you're left with. Of course, I broke mine. I don't want these. They're not really worth anything. Can't sell them. So I was just going to trash them anyways. So it's up to you if you want to spend the extra time and pop them out the right way. And it's totally up to you. So I just broke mine off, so I'm not real worried about it. And we will go ahead and put this on. And there you have it. It just pops right on. Doesn't take long at all. You can see the new clips are latched. All 4, just make sure all 4 are. I went ahead and folded the mirror in just so I can get this to seal up nice. Again, just pops right back on. Flip it back open. And then we'll put our 4 Torx back in. So go ahead and put your 4 Torx heads back in. Snug them up. You don't have to crank these things down, but so tight, snug them up. And we'll pop our mirror back on. Alright guys, it's as simple as that. So like I said, it might take you 5 to 15 minutes per side. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side without holding the camera, just so I can get it done a little quicker. I got some other things to do to this truck, and I will see y'all next time. Thanks for tuning in. Peace.